Welcome to Souls of Samadhi. This is Anjaneyasana, Crescent Lunge, also known as Crescent Lunge in English, shall I say. So starting with the top of the mat, again, feet shoulder width apart, and let's just start in a forward folded position. So let's just say I'm in forward fold at the top of my mat, inhale for a halfway lift to create space, and then exhale to fold. Planting your fingertips or your hands to the mat, step one leg back, so in my case I'm stepping my right leg back, and then dropping my right knee to the mat, untucking my right foot, and then reaching, extending both arms towards the sky. So I want my left knee stacked on top of my ankle. I'm shifting my weight forward, working into that hip flexor area. I'm engaging my back glute, my right glute, pressing the top of my right foot down into the mat, and again, extending both arms towards the sky. So again, this is a really nice deep stretch, working into my right quad, my right hip flexor, and working into the hip area just in general. And also you can cue to tuck your tailbone or engage the right glute so that you draw your ribs towards your hips. You know, it's easy to get an anterior pelvic tilt in the sense that you're going a little bit deep and inviting a back bend here. So again, both arms to the sky, left knee stacked on top of my ankle, and arms to the sky. Anjaneyasana, Crescent Lunge, also known as Crescent Moon. All right, and then from there, just placing your hands back to the mat, stepping back into Child's Pose. Knees wide, big toes to touch.